Dear students, after study of vector space, LD, LC, LI and linear span, we will move to next concept of the vector space, which are basis and dimension. Now what is basis? What is a finite dimensional vector space and what is dimension of the vector space? So first of all, we will define finite dimensional vector space. A vector space VF is said to be finite dimensional vector space if there exists a finite subset B of the vector space such that V is equal to L of B. It means B generates the vector space VF or VF is generated by the set B. It means every vector of the vector space can be expressed as a linear combination of B's vector. It is the most important concept in the algebra. And how many numbers, how many vectors contained in B? It is said to be dimension of the vector space. So if this set B, if generating set B contains n vectors, then we say that dimension of the vector space is n, and symbolically we write dimension of V equal to n. Now we define basis. Any subset of B of the vector space over the field F is said to be basis if it has two properties. First, this set B should be linearly independent. And second one, VF equal to LB. It means this set B is generated by the B generates the vector space V. Now, also we can say that dimension of V is nothing more than the dimension of the number of vectors contained in the basis V. To clear, we will define one equation, mathematical equation, by which we can say what is basis, what, how, what is properties, how can we solve the problems, extra. Let us consider three vectors in B3R. This set is B 1 2 1 2 1 0 1 minus 1 2. Now we show that this set forms a basis of the vector space B3. So what will we do? We will prove that it is a Li, and this vector generates the vector space. So let us demark B1, B2, B3 the vectors, and we consider lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are scalars. So we show that lambda 1 B1 plus lambda 2 B2 plus lambda 3 B3 equal to 0 by using properties. We solve them, and equating we will get the system of linear homogeneous equations. This can be written Ax equal to B as shown, where A is said to be Chomsky matrix. Now we find the values of lambdas. Here we find the rank of the Cauchy matrix. So we can find by elementary row transformation, by elementary column transformation, or by elementary or column transformation both. we can change it in echelon form or normal form, or by another way we find a sub matrix whose determinant will not zero. In this problem we have 3 by 3 sub matrix whose determinant value is minus 9, which is not equal to 0. It means rank of this matrix, this coefficient matrix is 3, or number of variable is 3. So lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 equal to 0. So it is a unique solution. Hence this set, this lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 all are 0. When we want to show that system is Li, then number of variable is just equal to rank of the matrix. In Li it is a compulsory. Now we have to show that how can this set B generates to the vector B. It means we pick any arbitrary vector of the vector space. Then this vector can be expressed as a linear combination of the Beige vectors. So x, y, z be any element, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are scalars, then we write it LC form. Then lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 should exist. Should exist, I am emphasizing here. मैं जोर दे रहा हूँ ये एग्जिस्ट होना चाहिए, इनकी वैल्यू रियल होना चाहिए, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 in this case. Again this vector x, y, z can be written lambda 1 b1, lambda 2 b2, lambda 3 b3 and so on. Solving, again we find the system of algebraic equations. It is not homogeneous because x, y, z are constants here. Now we solve these equations, but at this level first we will check that this solution will consist, means exist or not. So we will consider augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means coefficient matrix. We partition by dashed line and we write the constant x, y, z. Particularly I have taken here 1, 1, 1 in place of x, y, z. Otherwise the expression was very lengthy. So no loss of generality we can take, but you have to solve by x, y, z. Now you check it. You convert the augment matrix by only elementary row transformation. Column transformation will not be exist here. So we find that after creating more and more zeros, we find that no one or more row can be transferred into 0. Hence, we find that this rank of augment matrix and matrix are same. So, if rank of matrix is equal to rank of augment matrix equal to number of variable, then solution will be consistent. If you don't want, you can drop it and solve by these equations by elimination process, but that is risky. So this is the right procedure. Now we find that lambda 1 exists, lambda 2 exists, lambda 3 exists. Hence we can say this x, y, z can be expressed, this vector can be expressed as a linear combination of these vectors. So this is a exactly right procedure. Many short procedures may be possible, but they are fit only for the particular problem. And in books there are many questions are there. You solve them. If you find difficulty, then write me. Okay, thank you.